Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install FluentU on your tablet. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your tablet. Unlock your device and go to the home screen. Locate the App Store for your device. For Android tablets, open the Google Play Store. For iPads, open the App Store. In the search bar, type FluentU. Press the search icon to initiate the search. Look for the FluentU app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its page. Check the app details to ensure it is developed by FluentU. If the app is compatible with your device, click the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your tablet. Once installed, locate the FluentU app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app icon to open FluentU. If prompted, sign in with your FluentU account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features. Explore the language learning options available to you. Enjoy using FluentU to enhance your language skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.